Hey family, how you guys doing? I hope everyone's doing well considering what is happening in South Africa. Guys, it's so chaotic, not to that extent, but it is a bit stressful. These are stressful times in my country. The petrol has went up. There's there's a fight against illegal immigrants going on. And I just hate the propaganda with the mainstream media, especially our very own mainstream media, talking about xenophobia. Guys, there's no xenophobia going on in South Africa. I can guarantee you that it has nothing to do with xenophobia. If, as South Africans, we hated foreign nationals, they wouldn't have stayed this long in this country. I promise you, we have no hate against our African brothers and sisters or whoever that may be foreign in the country. The problem is those undocumented illegal foreigners. Most of them are doing drugs, they're doing human trafficking, some of them they're doing petty crimes, phone snatching, and besides that, we also have the ones that are busy occupying our restaurants, working those kind of jobs that we should be working, guys. Like someone who's in university should be doing those kind of jobs. The constitution The constitution clearly states that there are some jobs that are reserved for locals, even in any country in the world. But hey, anyway, thanks for subscribing.